Setting up Shopify Payments tutorial. Before setting up Shopify Payments, check if your store's location is supported. Enable two-step authentication to protect your account. Complete your payment setup within 21 days of your first sale to avoid refunds. Choose your store's currency before making any sales. Only the store owner can change the payment provider. If your store meets all the requirements, then let's set up Shopify Payment. Step 1. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments. Step 2. If you haven't set up a credit card payment provider on your account, then click the Complete Account Setup in the Shopify Payments section. If you have already set up a different credit card payment provider, click Activate Shopify Payments in the Shopify Payments box. This will remove any other credit card payment provider from your account. Step 3. Enter the required details about your store and banking information. If you're eligible, then a Shopify balance account is created for you. Step 4. Click Submit for verification. If Shopify Payments isn't available in your region or you prefer a different provider, Shopify supports many third-party payment options. Here's how to activate them. Step 1. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments. Step 2. In the Supported Payment Methods section, click Add Payment Method. Step 3. Search by payment methods or by provider. Select the alternative payment methods from the search results. Step 4. Click Install. Step 5. Enter your account credentials for the provider you chose. Step 6. Click Activate. And that's how to set up Shopify Payments. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.